Hi there, it's Drive by DIY here. Just doing a quick video on this Peugeot 306. I've done a couple of videos on fuel pump relays, but one of the things I haven't shown you is how to remove it. And if you're not sure, it's a bit of a ball ache. So I'm just going to show you what you need. It's down behind the computer, which is behind the battery in the battery tray. 8mm spanner. So you can see the bolt down there. So just undo the bolt. Make sure you put it to one side. These fail quite often on these sort of models. They tend to get the green lurgy inside, the green crusties. So they are available out there. It's easy enough to find them. That's what it looks like. And that's the relay down there. On it, if you see that red tab, that's the locking mechanism. And when you're looking down on it, you don't know it's there. So basically what you do is pull it out. The idea is to pull it out. Oh, so look, if you look down the back there, it's got one of these in it. Take that out. That pulls out like that, and then there you go. And that's what it is. And to put it back in is the reverse. So that's what you're dealing with. So make sure you get the little locking key out like that at the other side, and then just pull it out, and that's it. And that's how you take out the fuel relay on a Peugeot 306 and other models that are similar to this. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I don't know if you can see a part number on there. There you go. That's what I've gone for. So yeah, thanks for watching.